Extractions are a crucial part of many skin treatments. So at Dermalogica, we set out to innovate a multi-beneficial product. The result? New multi-active scaling gel. To deep cleanse, dispense half a pump of prescribed cleanser into a cup with water. Then add 1 pump of multi-active scaling gel. Mix and apply with a fan mask brush. Then continue to follow the Dermalogica cleansing routine. You have the option to incorporate steam, or you can also incorporate your ultrasonic brush or blade on exfoliation mode to accelerate skin resurfacing. Remove with sponges and water or a customized steam towel. To deep exfoliate, dispense approximately a half teaspoon of daily superfoliant into a cup and mix with water, creating a foamy consistency. Add 1 pump of multi-active scaling gel, mix and apply with a fan mask brush. Massage over the skin with light circular motions, avoiding the eye area, for up to 3 minutes. You have the option to use steam to help facilitate slip and glide on the skin. You also have the option to incorporate an ultrasonic brush or blade on exfoliation mode to accelerate skin resurfacing. Remove with sponges and water or a customized steam towel. For extractions, dispense half to 1 pump of multi-active scaling gel into a cup. Apply a thin layer with a fan mask brush to areas of congestion. Allow the gel to activate and soften impactions for 3 minutes. You have the option to include steam, and your modality options include galvanic disincrustation, microcurrent specific iontophoresis on the negative setting, or ultrasonic on clear mode. Next, perform extractions. Then remove with sponges and water or a customized steam towel. Complete your extractions by wiping the extracted area with post-extraction solution.